In this video, you will learn how to find a peer-reviewed journal article using a database called Academic Search Premier. These instructions also apply to other databases provided by EBSCO. EBSCO Host is a data management system that provides access to multiple databases. Databases are organized collections of electronic data, which for our use includes academic or scholarly journals, newspapers, both historic and current, magazines, books, ebooks, images, and more. Peer review is a process that ensures the quality of information in a publication. Experts in that field read, evaluate, and approve articles and studies before they are published. Articles from academic journals are peer-reviewed. Those found in popular magazines are not. To get to Capitol's databases, log into MyComNet. Then click on the My Library Info tab in the menu on the left. Select Capitol's Library. This will take you directly to the library's main web page. From here, click on the Find Articles tab. This takes you to a list of databases. Under General Knowledge, click on Academic Search Premier. This is one of our EBSCO databases. Right now, we are set to search only Academic Search Premier. Click on the blue hyperlink for Choose Databases. This box lists all the available databases from EBSCO. Academic Search Premier is already checked. If you hover the mouse over the icon to the right of each title, you will see details about that particular database. Green File, for example, is about environmental issues. Main File is another general database, so I'm going to check that box as well. You could cast a wide net by checking Select All at the top of the page, but that will produce more results than I'd like right now. After selecting your databases, click OK to return to the previous page. Before going any farther, you need to decide on what keywords or search terms to use. Databases do not respond to questions in the same way that Siri or Alexa will. Instead, you need to use a term that refers to your topic, such as a single word or short phrase like human trafficking, or a combination of words combined with Boolean operators. Boolean operators are words such as and, or, and not. For example, you could search kidnapping and parents and United States, or cats, not domestic. The latter example will give you articles about lions and tigers, but not your furry friend at home. EBSCO will make suggestions for keywords in the same way that Google predicts your search. Now that you've selected your databases and keywords, it's time to start the search. Type your keyword or words into the search box. Before clicking on Search, scroll down until you see the Limit Your Results box. Leave the check mark by Limit to Full Text. Full text means that the entire article is available to you right now, with no waiting or needing to request it from another library. To the right of that, put a check mark by Limit to Peer Reviewed if your instructor requires peer-reviewed sources. Go back to the top of the page and click Search. Here, you see that my search resulted in nearly 15,000 items. On the right, relevance means that EBSCO provides the results with what it thinks are the most relevant to your topic first. You can change this to have the oldest or newest article appear first, depending on your needs. On the next slide, I will show you how to narrow down your results even more. Using the menu on the left side of the screen, you can eliminate some of these results. Under Limit To, you see that I forgot to check the box for peer reviewed, so I can do that now. Under that are the publication dates. My earliest article is from 1917, and the newest from this year, 2022. Most often, you will want research from the past 10 or 20 years. Change the first date, or drag the blue bar to eliminate the outdated articles. Now look at source type. I like to start with just academic journals, but your needs may vary depending on the assignment and instructor. Now my list of results is down to just a few thousand. For the first article, Parental Kidnapping, you can see the title, author, and other information, such as journal title and date. Below that is the first line of the abstract, which we will come back to. Subjects are related keywords you might find useful. Click on the article's title to get more information. Once you are in the record for an article, you can see more details. Just as before, you have the author's name, journal title, date, page numbers, and so on. Scroll down until you see the paragraph next to the word abstract. Read the entire abstract. An abstract is a summary telling you what the article is about. From this, you can decide if the article is helpful to you or if you should move on. The tools on the right let you save the article in several different ways. If you have a Gmail account, you can save it to your Google Drive. EBSCO will create its own folder for all articles. You can print the article, email it to yourself, or use Save to save the article on your device or USB drive. Cite will give you the citation for the article in the format you choose, such as APA or MLA format. The permalink is the link you would share with another Capital Community College user so they could read the article. Sharing the link at the top of your browser will not work. Now, on the left side of your screen, click on PDF full text if it is an option. Articles are provided as PDFs, in HTML format, or both. Here you see the PDF of an article. Using the icons above the PDF, you can download or print it. The same icons that were on the right side of the previous page also appear here and have the same functions. When you email an article, you need to type in the email address to which you want it sent. Remember to attach the article as a PDF. I choose to include the abstract and citation as well. Make sure you choose the desired citation format. MLA and APA are the most commonly used at Capital. Make sure you know which one your instructor requires. After making your selection, click on Send.